Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet this very easy panel. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then I'm going to leave this loop here and come right here in the third one to make a chain. Then again in the second one, so as you can see, so we're going to count from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one here, next one, going to make 1, 2, then chain 1, 1, 2. Again going to continue, and this one here, the next one, to make 1 chain, okay, and the second one, so as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Then we're going to chain 1, and we're going to continue all round. Then we're going to come right inside this one here to pull through 1, 2. Then going to make 1 chain, 1, 2. Then continue our single chain, So chain one, come around, then you would come right here, pull through that way, inside there from the back, then I'm going to come right here, from here, same, then again in this space, 1, 2, chain 1, 1, then I'm going to come right here, again over there, and right there, so as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So we're going to form all this space over here. So see here, and from here we have this line over here, then the space in between, this braid space here. So this is how it's going to look like. This is the same with this one here, but it's just that this yarn is a different one and this one is a different one. This is a baby yarn and this is a cotton yarn. So I hope you like my video. Till next time, bye bye, see you.